Throughout the developing world, collecting and sorting waste is a common income-generating activity for large numbers of urban poor, especially women and children. This is a hazardous and dirty profession, but at the same time it provides a service to neighborhoods and cities which are struggling to manage rising levels of waste. But rather than recognizing the contributions of informal waste collectors and creating safer, more hygienic working conditions for them, waste collectors are often marginalized by the authorities and general public. They are associated with disease and filth and seen as a symbol of backwardness, sometimes even as thieves. CHF International has been working with local partners in India to help promote improved working conditions and livelihoods for this marginalized group. By supporting local waste collectors, CHF is helping create jobs, alleviate poverty, change the way the general public sees this group of workers, but above all, change the way waste collectors see themselves. Waste pickers are learning how to organize, work collectively, and advocate for their own rights to secure safer working conditions, fair wages, and better standards of living for themselves and their families.
For a long time I've been involved in waste picking. I was a very small child when I started. Everybody in my family is involved in waste collection. Initially people were hesitant and they did not want to communicate with us. They were not even ready to reveal their identity. But with the awareness programs that we took in the community, they developed trust in us, and then they came forward, and now they are willing to work with us, and together we are working for a change. The people who are into waste collection will not leave this profession, so we should work to make their future better. The most important thing is to work to free them from police harassment, which is very common. But now we have got these cards issued by the organization, so that police harassment has also reduced and we have benefited in that way.
Their identity has been a real challenge. They don't reveal their identity. So when we started working with them, it took a lot of time for us to really break through and get into the community. That was the first lesson.
Earlier people did not know me, but since the day I have been associated with this organization, I have gained my own personal identity. People in this community also know me, and in other areas also where I go, people know me. The biggest thing that I feel, change that I feel in their life is they have become more self-confident now, and this is the biggest tool which can help them achieve success and overcome their problems.
Since I have joined this Ummeed project and I have become the Vice President of this KVMJS, I feel very happy and very satisfied that I am able to help my community people, my slum people, and I am able to contribute something from my side for the betterment of my particular slum, and it is giving me a lot of confidence.
Now these people are more open, they can discuss their issues openly, discuss those in the meetings, and they even discuss about those solutions which will help them overcome these problems. And these people, they are so confident now, they even reveal their own identity. Initially there was stigma attached with this profession, people did not want to come forward with their identity, but now they are open with their identity also, and together they are raising their voices and trying to meet their demands.
In future, I see myself working on the rights of the waste pickers and specifically taking over this KVMJS association further for the betterment of waste collectors.